Alright, here's another post of birdhouses that I've started in the side yard. Everybody seems to comment on how they like that one. That was a fun house to make. But I wanted to make it more when parents are walking their kids, the kids can, oh look! So we've got a minion. We've got a kitty cat. An old man that Mark seems to think is him. And then the block birdhouse. I had fun doing that one. You know, we have the kids stuff, and then we've got Q, TDS, no cats allowed, TDS, Trump derangement syndrome, for those who don't know. And then, to get the Dems all worked up, Trump 28. Then we've got flyby and open, because this is the side that you open to, you know, clean out the birdhouse if we ever get any birds in there. And on the back we have yes to dogs. And then specialized house. Our daughter was born in Texas, her initials and birth date. Our son, born in Hawaii, and he used to tell people he was born on the beach, his initials and birth date. So, I still have room to go back here yet. So, I've already got some ideas to fill up the back.